You'll need an 8mm wrench and a trim tool. Begin by opening the rear hatch. There are two 8mm bolts holding in the housing. And then use your trim tool to pry the housing out at the edge. We highlight here where the clips hold the housing in. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb and replace it with the LED bulb. When we test it, there's no hyperflashing. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots on the housing. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Push the housing back on from back to front and replace the two bolts in the back. You can repeat the same steps for the other side. The new LED bulbs are a huge upgrade from the incandescent bulbs, and these new LEDs are error-free with no flickering or hyperflashing.